Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So today I'm here with the stock in news as I promised in my last video that I'm going to discuss some important stock in news videos. So keep your notification on to get all the notification for the stock in news and IPOs and the sectors levels update. So today I'm going to discuss the important stock with the related news and I will discuss important fundamental and some important levels also for the stock. So to know the everything about this stock and news and technical and fundamental levels, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and stock in news update and indices weekly update. So let's start video with the name of the stock. The stock is in news because of its demerger and the name of the stock is Tata Motor. Tata Motor का demerger होने वाला है is going to happen in next week means from 1st of October means tomorrow. This demerger is going to happen in two sections, passenger vehicle and commercial vehicle. So now the commercial vehicle business is going to be separated from the टाटा मोटर पैसेंजर व्हीकल और जो पहले एक साथ ही था अब वो दोनों को सेपरेट कर दिया जाएगा तो ये डीमर्ज हो जाएगा एंड दे विल वर्क इन टू डिफरेंट सेक्शन बिजनेस सो पीवी और सीवी एज यू आर holding the Tata Motor share, you are going to get the commercial vehicle business share after demerger and the company का जो demerger is going to be effective from the 1st of October and the record date for the demerger relatively maybe in mid of October or end of October and followed by the listing of both business by November. Till record date, whatever company going to announce, till record date you should hold you will have to hold the Tata Motor share to get the commercial vehicle business share in your डीमैट account. तो आपको रिकॉर्ड डेट तक टाटा मोटर का शेयर यू विल हैव टू कीप इन योर डीमैट अकाउंट टू गेट द शेयर ऑफ द commercial vehicle business commercial vehicle share. So that will take place in November में share will be in your demat account. So वो company the date company will decide. I will definitely update the dates about the record date and the listing date and everything. I will definitely update later on. Last week with the NCLT, NCLT had cleared all the composite, all the scheme of arrangement and this commercial Tata Motor, इसका नाम है टाटा मोटर लिमिटेड कमर्शियल व्हीकल. ओके तो ये कमर्शियल व्हीकल का बिजनेस अलग कर दिया जा रहा है तो कमर्शियल व्हीकल का नाम होगा TMLCV, टाटा मोटर लिमिटेड कमर्शियल व्हीकल और पैसेंजर व्हीकल का तो टाटा मोटर पैसेंजर व्हीकल है ही रहेगा. तो ये दो नेम में कंपनी डिवाइड हो जाएगी. ठीक है, ध्यान देना. तो कमर्शियल व्हीकल अलग हो जाएगा, पैसेंजर व्हीकल विल बी सेपरेटेड. So under the demerger, shareholder will get one share of TMLCV. TMLCV means Tata Motor Company Commercial Vehicle. For every share you are holding of Tata Motor. तो हर एक टाटा मोटर के शेयर के लिए विच यू आर होल्डिंग यू विल गेट वन टाटा मोटर commercial vehicle share. So that means ratio is 1:1. So demerger ratio is 1:1 for the Tata Motor and one share you will get for the one Tata Motor share of TMLCV. Okay. So Tata Motor is facing one more challenge also in the JLR. The last year, the JLR demand outlook stays challenging in the near term in Europe and even China, even US region also. And JLR also facing the increased competition and consumption tax in China. तो दीज आर इश्यूज दैट JLR ऑफ टाटा मोटर जो कि टाटा मोटर का ही एक बिजनेस है JLR का. These challenges the Tata Motor already facing in current scenario. Let's quickly discuss the Tata Motor fundamental and you can see Tata Motor is the large cap company. The Market cap is 2,47,891, means I can say 2,48,000 around crore around the market cap is already. Current price is 670. So overall, if I talk about the price, I will come on price later. First, let's see. The current price is 670 around, and the P stock P is very low. It is trading at 11.5, मीन्स वी कैन सी कि बहुत ही अंडर वैल्यूड चल रहा है टाटा मोटर करंट सिनारियो में, बट बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट performing at all, so people are not interested to buy current in current scenario. So let's see what happens after demerger, ये अक्टूबर नवंबर के बाद इसमें क्या मूव आता है. विल चेक, विल कीप वॉच ऑन टाटा मोटर, बट अभी के लिए तो ये अंडर वैल्यूड है और it is not performing at all in my views. And you can see when industrial PE से भी ये बहुत नीचे चल रहा है, which is 36.8. Debt to equity is 0.62. Company has tried so much and very effectively tried to reduce their debt. I find very positive in Tata Motor. They have reduced their debt very effectively. Last, even only in last 1 or 2 year, ROC is 20, which is good. Company is making good return, and ROE is 28.1, which is also very good in current scenario. And dividend is not that good, but it's not that bad also, around 0.88%, means 1% के आसपास ही है, which I find okay. And you can see the EPS is 57.4, and operating profit margin is 11.8, means around 12%. Price to book value is 2.15, which is also undervalued if you compare with the industrial PBV 6.44. तो कंपनी बहुत ही undervalued है, and profit growth is negative. So overall, you can see this is the Tata Motor scenario, fundamental scenario. और अभी मैं क्विकली से प्राइस की बात करूं तो इट इज ट्रेडिंग एट 670, which is actually it's a very good support is around 650 अराउंड. कंपनी कई दिनों से, लास्ट कई मंथ से 650 के सपोर्ट पे ही ट्रेड करे. 650 टू 750 के बीच में, 700 आई कैन से 700, तो 650 टू 750 के बीच में कंपनी इज ट्रेडिंग सिंस लास्ट सो मैनी मंथ्स, एंड वी हैव टू चेक the company whether going to break down or going to break out. Keep watch on the रेंज ऑफ 650 टू 750. ऊपर की साइड में तोड़ता है तो इट विल बी गुड, नीचे के साइड में तोड़ता है तो फिर और भी फॉल आगे देख सकते हो. एंड 600 तो बहुत ही क्रूशियल सपोर्ट है, 600. So let's watch what happens after demerger and the levels I have discussed. So once again, I will summarize the whole video. The Tata Motor demerger is effective from 1st of October, and the record date and listing date is yet to be announced by the company. The record date of demerger may be tentatively in mid of October, followed by the listing of both business of commercial vehicle and passenger vehicle by the November. And the ratio of the demerger is 1:1. That means if you are holding one share of Tata Motor, you are going to get one share of Tata Motor commercial vehicle, which is TMLCV, and you have to hold the Tata Motor share to get the TMLCV share till record date. So this was the overall news about the Tata Motor. And the fundamental, you can see on your screen, the stock P is very low. That means the stock is undervalued. Tata Motor of support is 650, and the important resistance is around 750. So this was overall the stock in news Tata Motor. You like and share the video with your friends and others also, so that they can also be aware with the stock news. And subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update, stock news update, and indices weekly levels update. Signing off.